Today, the district attorney announced his decision. He reviewed the results of the SBI investigation, the body camera footage, and the law of North Carolina. He concluded that my deputies did not violate criminal law. Separately, I asked for outside investigators to assist with our internal investigation. 4 investigators from different counties assisted us. Additionally, my investigators re-interviewed the deputies involved. Finally, we hired an independent use of force and tactical expert to review the evidence and assist our investigation. This expert has more than 30 years of service, 1,000 operations under his belt, and over 2,000 plus use of force reviews. The independent expert reviewed the work of the 4 outside Sheriff's Office investigators, all the body camera footage, interviews from the deputies, our policies, and scientific evidence and studies surrounding the use of force. After reviewing the internal investigation, discussing the case with the independent use of force expert, listening to the interviews of the deputies involved, and reviewing all the body camera footage myself, I'm announcing the following personnel decisions. The 3 deputies involved will keep their jobs. They will be disciplined and retrained. Here's why. While the district attorney concluded that no criminal law was violated, this was a terrible and tragic outcome, and we could do better. Every person in every job makes decisions. In law enforcement, we have a higher responsibility to do everything we can to make the best decision. We can always do better, and we must. Here are a couple of examples where we could have done better. 2 deputies did not turn on their body cameras. That's unacceptable. And those deputies will be disciplined. The SOAT team was supposed to have EMS on standby near the scene. While it would not have saved Mr. Brown's life based on his injuries, it's something we should have done better. The deputies will be disciplined for that decision. The risk threat assessment for this search and arrest warrant was discussed by the deputies on the team before the warrant was served. However, the threat assessment review should be standardized and must be prepared in writing every time. I will require this for all future tactical operations. Also moving forward, our SOAT team will be reconfigured and retrained. We have already spoken to national experts about how to better implement best practices with our team. These deputies will receive more training. While they've already had 80 hours of SWAT specific training, we can do better. My goal is to bring in national experts and ensure my team has top-notch training. Just because we're a small agency doesn't mean we can't have the best training there is. I promise transparency, and I'll continue to share as much information as the law will allow me. The county and I will ask the judge to allow me to release the video to the public as soon as possible. Additionally, I intend to release portions of the internal investigation and the independent expert's preliminary report as soon as it's clear that I can legally do that. I want to say something to the family of Andrew Brown Jr. This should not have happened this way at all. While the deputies did not break the law, we all wish things could have gone differently, much differently. I continue to pray for them and hope they will find peace. Thank you, and God bless.